Welcome to the live. Trevor just joined both fuck Eban, user 9. Riva, welcome to the live, guys. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. We are live. I just have an important message for everybody to say. You gotta do what you can do. Logo now. Do what you gotta do with what you have so that you can go. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. With what you have so that you can get to what you need. Do not wait until you have everything in line so that you can go and get what you need. You gotta do what you gotta do, because at the end of the day, Yaku just joined. Welcome to the live. Yaku KD just joined. Welcome. Ante Chef Eddie Lee Hank just joined. Yes. Senzeni lokho kufanele ukuthi sikwenze, guys. Because at the end of the day, nobody's gonna do it for you. No one is gonna do it for you. You gotta do it yourself, and you gotta do it. Do not force ukuthi wenze izinto ube nezinto, because now you will end up in a situation where you find yourself, you are in debt. Uzama ukuthi wenze into ongayazi. Miss Unknown, welcome to the live. Tyson is also here. Welcome to the lives, guys. Let's use what we have to get to what we can do. We can have. Like start. That's the only thing important. As you can see, I'm starting with mine. And I'm also learning. I'm also teaching myself of other things. I'm open to learning as in using. Like for example, I'll just flip the camera so you can see. I don't know anything about editing and whatnot, but I'm teaching myself. YouTube people now, they are there, these people. They are there. They will teach you, and for free, you just check. Then you have to find someone who knows. These days, it's hectic, especially with the economy being the way it is.